What's the meaning of alternative? Alternative. 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 Alternative.
The term alternative refers to something that is different or serves as a substitute for something else. It can be used to describe a variety of things, such as alternative medicine, music, energy sources, lifestyles, and more. Generally, alternatives offer an option or choice that deviates from the norm, often with the intention of providing a different approach to addressing a particular problem or need. They can also represent a departure from traditional ways of thinking or doing things, encouraging creativity and experimentation in pursuit of new solutions.